In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a table calendar in Microsoft Word. Whether you want to take advantage of a handy pre-designed template or prefer to get creative and make one manually, I'll guide you through both methods step by step. Let's start with using a calendar template. First, you'll need to launch Microsoft Word. Once it's open, look for the File option in the top menu and click on it. From there, select New. This will bring up a page where you can search for different types of templates. In the provided search bar, type in the word calendar and press Enter. This will display a range of calendar templates for you to choose from. Take some time to browse through these and find one that suits your style and needs. Once you've settled on a template, click Create. After the template is loaded into your document, Word may prompt you to select a month and year. Don't worry if you're not quite sure which month and year you want to start with. You can always adjust these settings later. Simply look for the Calendar tab, which will appear once the calendar is created. Now, it's time to personalize your calendar. Experiment with different colors and fonts to make it uniquely yours. And if you want to add a personal touch, incorporate some of your own photos where you see fit. Now, let's move on to creating a table calendar manually. Begin by opening a new Word document, or you could simply use an existing one. Navigate to the top menu again and click on the Insert tab. Here, you'll look for the Table option. Select a grid of 7 columns by 7 rows. Why 7, you might ask? Well, you'll use one row for the days of the week and the additional rows for the actual dates throughout the month. Once you've set up the basic structure, type in the days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on into the top row. Next, you'll need to pull up your computer's calendar to see which day of the week the current month starts on. This will help you correctly enter the dates into your grid. It's a simple yet essential step to ensure everything lines up correctly. After your dates are in place, click on the table, and you'll notice that a Table Design tab becomes available at the top. This is where you can really get creative. You have the option to change the table's overall design, adjust the colors, and even tweak the fonts to give your calendar a polished, professional look. And there you have it. 2 different methods to design a table calendar in Microsoft Word, each with its own charm. Choose the one that fits your style best, and happy designing!